The 2000 Mountaineer. With room for up to 7 and abundant and versatile cargo room, the Mercury Mountaineer is extremely accommodating. And because safety is critical, Mountaineer is equipped with accident avoidance features such as advanced track with roll stability control, which can help you maintain control in adverse road conditions, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, running boards, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, fog lamps, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, rear wiper, privacy glass, limited slip differential, roof rack. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.